Hi parents, meet the BreathableBaby Breathable Mesh Liner, designed for full-size cribs with classic 3 mesh. This liner features A.C.T. air channel technology, allowing unrestricted airflow while blocking 85% of light, keeping your baby safe and comfortable. It fits mattresses measuring 52 by 28 inches and can cover 3 or 4 sides with adjustable panels. Safety is top priority, as this liner meets ASTM F1917 standards and contains no harmful chemicals or flame retardants. Unlike traditional crib bumpers, the breathable mesh reduces risks by letting air pass through freely. Installation is simple with hook and loop fastenings and a fabric trim that tucks under the mattress edge. For peace of mind and a safer crib environment, this liner helps keep your baby's arms and legs safely inside. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.